Have you ever wondered how those fresh green cabbages that appear in our daily meals are made? Behind that simple appearance lies a long and elaborate process, from planting in meticulous care to harvesting and processing using modern technology. In today's video, we'll explore the fascinating journey of cabbage, from the vast fields to the clean, fresh produce on your table, through the entire professional cultivation, production, and packaging process. Cabbage is one of the most familiar and widely used vegetables in the world thanks to its high nutritional value and versatile culinary applications. This vegetable stands out with its abundant vitamin C content, which helps boost the immune system. Cabbage contains plenty of fiber to aid digestion, and antioxidants beneficial to health. Thanks to these characteristics, cabbage is not only a common ingredient in daily meals but is also considered a food that contributes to improving human nutrition. In cuisine, cabbage can be prepared in many different delicious dishes. From simple dishes like boiled, stir-fried, and soup dishes to more complex ones like refreshing salads, crispy coleslaw, or fermented cabbage with its distinctive flavor. In particular, fermented cabbage products not only offer a unique culinary experience but also provide beneficial probiotics for the digestive system, making them increasingly popular worldwide. Beyond its nutritional and culinary value, cabbage plays a crucial role in agriculture and the food industry. Each year, global cabbage production reaches billions of pounds, meeting the growing market demand. This vegetable is widely grown in many countries due to its adaptability to various climatic conditions, especially in regions with cool weather. The development of modern agricultural technology has also contributed to improving the productivity and quality of cabbage, from cultivation to harvesting and processing. As a result, cabbage is not only a popular vegetable but also a crucial link in the global food supply chain, significantly contributing to the economic value of modern agriculture. Cabbage prefers cool climates, so the ideal time to plant is usually in spring or autumn. Under these weather conditions, the plant can grow steadily, resist pests and diseases, and yield higher productivity. Soil is extremely important for cabbage growth. The soil needs to be loose, rich in organic matter, and well drained to prevent root rot. In addition, the soil pH should be maintained between 6.0 and 6.5, which is ideal for efficient nutrient absorption and uniform growth. Sunlight is an essential factor in the growth of cabbage. The plants need to be grown in areas with ample sunlight to ensure optimal photosynthesis, which in turn helps the leaves develop healthily and form a tightly packed head. Insufficient sunlight can lead to poor growth, thin leaves, and unsatisfactory quality. In practice, farmers can choose various planting methods depending on conditions and production scale. Some places use direct seeding, saving time and effort. However, many farmers prefer to grow seedlings in trays or nurseries before transplanting them to the field. This method results in healthier seedlings, easier control of planting density, and a higher survival rate when transferred to a new environment. Besides traditional methods, growing cabbage at home using plastic bottles or hydroponic systems is becoming increasingly popular. Especially in urban areas, this method offers many benefits such as saving space, utilizing small areas, and allowing growers to precisely control the amount of water and nutrients supplied to the plants. As a result, the plants can grow steadily even without natural soil. Regardless of the method used, proper care remains the deciding factor in the quality of the cabbage. Regular watering helps maintain the necessary soil moisture, while appropriate fertilization provides sufficient nutrients for the plants at each stage of development. With proper care, the cabbage will grow healthily, producing firm, green heads that meet high harvest standards. Throughout its growth process, cabbage undergoes a characteristic developmental stage where the young leaves begin to grow and curl around the center, forming the head in the middle of the plant. This is the most crucial stage that determines the shape, quality, and commercial value of the cabbage. When the outer leaves grow large enough, they gradually close together, forming a firm, round mass, a clear sign of the plant's maturity. For this process to proceed smoothly, cabbage plants need a stable growing environment. First and foremost, A consistent water supply is essential. Soil moisture needs to be at an appropriate level so that the plant can absorb nutrients sufficiently, but not excessively so as not to cause root rot. Proper watering not only helps the plant grow quickly but also ensures that the leaves curl evenly and tightly. In addition, sunlight plays a vital role in promoting photosynthesis. When exposed to sufficient light, the plant will generate the necessary energy to nourish the leaf layers, helping them grow thick, healthy, and brightly colored. Without enough light, cabbage may grow slowly, the leaves may be loose, and it may not form a firm head as desired. Besides water and light, nutrients are also indispensable. The plant needs to be adequately supplemented with essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to support overall development. A balanced diet will help leaves grow evenly, minimizing stunting or deformities. Typically, cabbage reaches full maturity about 70 to 120 days after planting. At this time, the head becomes firm, and the leaves curl tightly together to form a characteristic spherical shape. The color of the leaves also turns a darker green, indicating that the plant has accumulated enough nutrients and is ready for harvesting. This is the ideal time for growers to harvest, ensuring the highest quality and value of the product. When cabbage reaches ideal maturity, harvesting is carried out using two main methods, depending on the scale of production and the farming conditions of each region. Each method has its own advantages, contributing to ensuring the efficiency and quality of the harvested product. The first method is mechanized harvesting, widely used in large-scale farms. Modern machines are designed with sharp blades that operate close to the base of the plant, quickly cutting each cabbage head without crushing or damaging the internal structure. After cutting, the cabbages are directly transferred to a conveyor system integrated into the machine. Here, some preliminary processing steps, such as removing outer or old leaves, can be done immediately, thanks to the high level of automation. This method achieves impressive productivity, harvesting from 25,000 to 45,000 pounds per hour, significantly saving time and labor costs. In addition, manual harvesting is still commonly used in many areas, especially those with small land or terrain unsuitable for machinery. Farmers use sharp knives to cut each cabbage head to standard, ensuring accuracy and minimizing damage. After cutting, the cabbages are placed on a mobile conveyor system or collected manually for transport to a collection point. Although productivity is lower than with machinery, averaging 200 to 400 pounds per hour per person, this method allows for better quality control, especially for products requiring high standards. After harvesting, the cabbage is gathered into large containers or packed into bales right in the field. This helps preserve the freshness of the product and optimizes transportation. From there, the cabbage is quickly transported to the factory for further processing, sorting, and preparation, ensuring the final product is of the highest quality before reaching consumers. After being transported from the field to the factory, the cabbage undergoes a preliminary processing stage, a crucial step to ensure quality and food safety before further processing. Here, the entire process is carried out systematically, combining modern machinery and strict human control. The first step is cleaning the raw materials. The cabbage is passed through an automatic washing system, where it is sprayed and soaked in clean water to completely remove dirt, sand, and other impurities adhering to the leaf surface. This process not only improves cleanliness but also preserves the natural freshness of the product. After washing, the cabbage is moved to a stage where substandard outer leaves are removed. Old, wilted, or diseased leaves are separated to ensure the remaining cabbage is of the highest quality. This process can be done by machine or combined with manual inspection for increased accuracy. Next, the hard core in the center of the cabbage is cut off using specialized equipment. Removing the core not only improves the texture during processing but also facilitates subsequent steps such as chopping or fermentation. This entire preliminary processing plays a crucial role in ensuring that the cabbage meets food safety and hygiene standards. As a result, the final product is not only clean but also maintains high quality, ready for further processing and packaging. After the initial processing is complete, the cabbages are transferred to an automated sorting system, a crucial step in ensuring product quality before market release. Here, advanced technologies are applied to accurately assess each cabbage based on various criteria. The sorting system is equipped with advanced sensors capable of quickly identifying and analyzing product characteristics such as size, color, and uniformity, based on the collected data. The machines automatically divide the cabbages into groups according to pre-established standards. This ensures a fast, accurate sorting process with minimal errors compared to manual methods. Cabbages that meet the requirements are then transferred to the next packaging or processing stages. While substandard products, such as those with uneven size, dull color, or damage, are removed from the production line. This rigorous screening process not only ensures product consistency but also enhances reputation and quality when it reaches consumers. Thanks to the application of high technology in the sorting process, the cabbage production industry can better meet the stringent standards of the market, while optimizing efficiency and reducing operating costs. This is a crucial step contributing to the creation of high-quality, uniform, and safe products. After being sorted and ensuring quality standards are met, a portion of the cabbage is transferred to the deep processing stage to create value-added products, meeting the diverse needs of the market. This step helps to increase the economic value of cabbage and provides more convenient options for consumers. One of the most popular products is cabbage salad, also known as coleslaw. To prepare it, the cabbage is put into a specialized shredding machine and shredded into thin, even, and visually appealing strips. Then, this shredded cabbage is mixed with other ingredients such as carrots, sometimes with purple cabbage, and combined with appropriate seasonings to create a fresh, crisp, and nutritious dish. Coleslaw is often used as a side dish in many modern meals. In addition, cabbage is also processed into fermented cabbage, a traditional yet still very popular product. This process begins by chopping the cabbage into small pieces or shredding it, then mixing it thoroughly with salt in the appropriate ratio. Salt not only enhances the flavor but also plays a crucial role in creating a favorable environment for natural fermentation. Next, the cabbage is fermented in an anaerobic environment, usually in large barrels or airtight jars. Over a period of 7 to 14 days, beneficial bacteria become active, converting the natural sugars in the cabbage into lactic acid. This process creates the characteristic sour taste and helps preserve the product for a long time while retaining its nutritional value. After processing, cabbage enters the packaging stage, a crucial step to protect product quality and prepare for distribution to the market. Depending on the type of product, different packaging methods will be applied to ensure freshness and convenience for consumers. For fresh cabbage, the product is usually wrapped in specialized food-grade film. This film helps limit contact with air, retain natural moisture, and extend shelf life. Meanwhile, processed products such as pre-cut cabbage, coleslaw, or sauerkraut are packaged in airtight bags or sterilized glass jars, ensuring hygiene and food safety. After packaging, each product is labeled with complete information such as origin, production date, expiration date, and quality standards. This is a crucial factor that helps consumers easily trace the origin and feel confident when using the product. Before leaving the factory, the entire batch undergoes a final quality check. This process aims to ensure that all products meet standards in terms of appearance, safety, and quality. Afterward, the goods are distributed to domestic retail systems or exported to international markets, contributing to bringing cabbage to consumers around the world. From vast fields to the dinner table of each family, cabbage has gone through a long journey with many meticulous and rigorous stages. Each stage, from planting and caring to harvesting, processing, and packaging, is a harmonious combination of farmers' experience and the support of modern technology. This is what has resulted in products that not only guarantee quality but also meet the increasingly high standards of the market. Cabbage, though a familiar vegetable, holds immense nutritional and economic value. It not only enriches daily meals but also demonstrates the robust development of modern agriculture. where technology is applied to optimize productivity and improve product quality. As a result, the simple cabbage plant has become an important part of the global food supply chain. Hopefully, this journey has given you a clearer understanding of how cabbage is produced and reaches consumers. If you found this content helpful and interesting, please show your support by liking and subscribing to the channel to discover more fascinating stories about agriculture and modern production processes in future videos.